In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram app stopped working or it keeps crashing all the time. That is quite simple and easy to solve that problem, so let's begin. And the first thing that you may try is open up App Store and there search for Instagram. Now you can tap right here at Instagram app to open up Instagram's page, and here you can update Instagram application. If this button says update, it means that your current Instagram version is outdated and you can install the latest version, so just tap at update button and download and install the latest update. It may solve your problem. If this button says open, that means that you have already installed the latest Instagram application version. So in that case, you may try to use the next solution. Just open up settings, then tap on general, next tap at iPhone storage. Here wait for some time until that page is downloaded and then scroll down until you find Instagram here. There you may try to offload the app and then force reinstall it. What offload feature do is just removes all the app data, including core files or some cache files, but it doesn't remove all your documents or data, even login sessions, so you not afraid to do this. Just tap at offload app, then confirm it, then wait for some seconds, and then you can tap on reinstall app and then wait until the app is downloaded and installed. And this action removes all bugs, all glitches, all application errors, and it may highly likely solve your problem. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and if the video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.